In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit limits for members in Lovable. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing a small group or a larger organization, setting credit limits can help you maintain control over spending and ensure accountability. Let's begin by navigating to the dashboard of your Lovable account. First, look at the lower left corner of your dashboard and locate the profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a variety of options related to your account settings and personal information. This profile icon is your gateway to customizing your Lovable account to better suit your needs. After clicking on the profile icon, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You'll find the settings option in the same menu that pops up. Clicking on it will take you to an overview page where you can manage various aspects of your account. The settings section is essentially the control hub for all account-related configurations, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different options available here. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to find and click on the People tab. This is particularly important because it's where you can manage your team members and their respective roles and permissions. If you're overseeing a team, this is where you can view, modify, or update anyone's information. It's the backbone of ensuring everyone is functioning within the expected parameters. After selecting the People section, you'll notice next to each member is an icon that features 3 dots. This icon indicates additional options or actions that you can perform related to that specific member. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you further control over what actions you can take concerning the member, such as modifying permissions or, in this instance, setting credit limits. Within the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Set Credit Member. Clicking on this option allows you to specify credit limits for individual members. It's a crucial step to manage financial allocations effectively within your team. A well-set credit limit can help prevent overspending, encourage responsible fiscal management, and keep the team within budget. By following these steps, you have now successfully set up credit limits for your team members in Lovable. Remember, managing these limits allows for more efficient oversight and ensures clarity in your team's operational finances. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to check out the help resources within Lovable or